So this is how you use HelmCNC Phone pendant. You'll find this QR code in the corner. Hover over with your camera, press on the link, and this opens up a web app. And this is where you control your machine. You can increase the jog speed. You can do really slow, precise movements with the joystick as well. If you want to be really safe, you can always crank down the jog speed, and that will limit your max speed that you can go with the joystick. And if you really need to, you can always dial in a super precise Z height if you don't have the touch-off, for instance, just by using the joystick.